Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a pie chart using R. Pie charts are a great way to visualize proportions and compare different categories. Let's get started. This is the data set for today's session. In here we have two variables, category and value. Under category, we have four types of category A, category B, and category C, and category D. Now, let's build pie chart using Rstudio. In here, I have typed all the codes that we need for create pie chart. I will explain one by one. So, first step is install read Excel package, because to import our Excel data into Rstudio, we need this package. So I already installed this package because it takes some time. So I already installed it. So let's load read Excel package. Type library, open brackets, then read Excel and run. So next step is import our data. Go to environment here and click this icon and click from Excel and click browse. Then select our data and click open and import. So here it is, our data. Now what you have to do is I forgot to type other code here. Now you have to do is attach your data. Type attach open bracket and our file name pie chart, then run. Yes, and our next step is summarize our data, because you can see in here under category we have four types of category and 13 observation. So we should sum up these value. So type data summarized. You can choose any name for that, and type angle bracket and hyphen. Normally in Rstudio we called it as assignment operator. So type assignment operator and type aggregate and put our value variable name here and put infinity mark, then category variable name here. So in your data set, if you have different name for that, you can use that name for here and put comma and type data equal, put your file name here and comma, then sum close bracket. Let's run this one. Yes. Now what we have to do is define labels for the pie chart, category and percentage. Now we have to calculate percentage now. So we have to use this code for that. Type label and assignment operator, then type paste and open brackets and type our data summarized here, because we used this one for here. So dollar marks and put category, comma, round, open brackets, again data summarized and dollar marks and value, divide, sum, open brackets. Actually you have to need that formula for here to calculate percentage value. So data summarized, dollar marks and value, and star mark 100, comma 1, close bracket, comma, percentage mark and close bracket. Let's run this one. Yes. Now what you have to do is choose color for our pie chart. So these are the codes for different colors. So if you don't like, in here I use red, green, blue and pink. So if you don't like these colors, you can use another code for that. You can choose different codes. So if you don't know how to get these codes, then go to this website, HTML color codes. After that, you can choose any color from here, and then here it is a HEX code. You can copy this code from here and paste into RStudio. I will attach this link into description box. So here I choose red, green, blue and pink. So type custom colors, and in here also you can choose any name for that. But these should be same. Color also you can change. Let's run this one. Click run. And now is the final process. Create the pie chart with our custom colors. So these are the codes for create pie chart. So type pie and open bracket. So attach our data set, because we create new data set here, data summarized. So put that name here, data summarized, dollar marks and value, comma, labels equal labels. That means our ABCD category labels, and main equal, this is our pie chart name, pie chart of categories with custom colors. If you want to change this one, you can change. And color call equal custom colors, this one, and close bracket. Let's run this one. Yeah, after running this code, we got our pie chart like this. Can you see? It's a percentage value, and here it is our pie chart name, pie chart of categories with custom colors. If you don't like this name, you can change that. Just do pie chart of categories, then run that again. Yeah, it's changed pie chart of category. So this is how we create pie chart using RStudio.